Students, this is Ajanta Saikia, Department of Education, S.B.Deorah College. Today I am going to discuss about the topic programmed instruction. It is included in Instructional Technology Unit 4 and this topic is for 6th semester general course. Paper is 6.1 and the name of the paper is Educational Technology. First of all, I will discuss about the meaning of programmed instruction. That what is the meaning of programmed instruction? Actually, programmed instruction is also known as programmed learning, and it is one of the effective methods of innovations of teaching learning process. And it is an individualized and systematic technique in classroom teaching learning process, and it may be also considered as self-learning or auto-instruction. Now, you should know that what is program. Generally, program is a device which is used to control the students' behavior and assist them to learn without the supervisor of teacher. Generally, the teacher's role is not given importance in this program learning, and it is the subject learned by the students or the learners. And program learning, it is a method of presenting the different learning materials in the form of printed text or program sequences stored in the machines. These machines are presented according to the teacher's pace, that is, by self or by auto. And you know that it is a learner oriented system in which the learner can learn by themselves and proceeds a number of small steps at his own pace and immediate knowledge whether their answers are correct or not. Then I will go for the nature of programmed instruction. That means what are the different characteristics of programmed instruction or program learning. First of all, this it is an individualized method in which variety of sources like program textbook, teaching machines, computers, with or without the help of a teachers are applied. The second point, the logical sequence. In this technique, the instructional materials are logically sequenced and broken into suitable small steps of the subject matter, and it is known as frames. And the progress at their own pace. The learners make progress at their own pace. That means according to their abilities, according to their capabilities, they can learn. The learner is required to read or listen and then respond actively. Then number 4 is immediate feedback. You know that feedback is very much essential in the teaching learning process because with the help of feedback, the teacher can know about the progress of the students. And this learning system has a provision of immediate feedback and which is based on the theory of reinforcement. Number 5, provides self-pacing. This learning provides self-pacing as the learner develops at his own pace. Learning depends on the nature of the learner, teaching materials and learning situations. Interaction between the learner and the learning materials. It is the cooperation between the learner and the learning materials. Thus, the students are motivated to learn and respond actively because you know that motivation is very much essential in the process of learning. It can grow the interest in the mind of the students. It can bring the mental preparation in the mind of the students. Then overt responses. Overt responses means apparent responses. That it calls for the overt responses of the learner which can readily be observed, measured, and effectively controlled. Then provision of constructive evaluation. That evaluation is one of the important aspects in the teaching learning process. And this technology also provides continuous evaluation, which can help in improving the quality of the learner's performance and the quality of programmed materials. And based on behavioral science and technology, program learning is based on the behavioral science and technology,